In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bold text here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, you can't actually bold every single font here in Canva, but if you stick around and watch all of this video, I will show you a little workaround that you can do on any font. Now, in most cases, if you want to bold text here in Canva, it's pretty simple. We click onto the text that we want to bold, then we're going to get this toolbar pop up the top. Now all we have to do is simply click on B and it's going to bold that text. Now let's unbold this because you can bold single words or single letters. Now to do a single word, all we have to do is double click on that word, so it's highlighted like this. Then if we click on the B, now that has been bolded. And you can do that with single letters as well. But let's say you have a font that doesn't enable you to bold it. Now I have one just here, as we can see, and if we click on this, we don't have the option to click on the B to actually bold this. But like I said, there is a little workaround, and we're going to use effects. So if we click onto the text, click onto effects, we can then use this just here where it says outline. Now if we click on there, it adds an outline. But the cool thing about this is that if we match up the outline color with the font color, we can then play around to make it bold. So if we click on here, this little circle icon, we can then choose the color of the font, which in this case is white, and now we have this bolded. Now we can also play around with the thickness of this. So this is what it would look like as normal without being bolded. But if we start increasing this, we can see that we now have this font which doesn't enable you to bold it. Now we can, but if you go too far, you can see it doesn't quite work and it doesn't look good. So you have to find that happy medium to where you want it, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to bold text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.